In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the Adobe Express app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for Adobe Express. Click on Adobe Express. Press the Get button to start downloading Adobe Express. Wait for Adobe Express to be downloaded and installed. Now your Adobe Express app should be installed. Now open your Adobe Express app. Select Sign In. Now type in your Adobe Express login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.